Right guys, welcome to another video. It's been a while, but I'm back with a bang. Yeah. So, got this beautiful Bentley Continental GT with the number plate that says pew, pew. Anyways, as you guys can see, the car has slight damage and it actually doesn't start. If I try to start it, I'll show you you guys can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so and it doesn't start. So I think it's something to do with the fuel pressure maybe or something like that. But nevertheless, let's get into this video. It's a bit of an interesting one. This is like my first ever, you can call super car or nice expensive car flip or build or repair or own, whatever you want to call it. As you guys can see, the damage is right here. It's the driver's side of the car. We've got the rear bumper that got affected, quarter panel got affected. Sadly, the alloy got affected. These alloys are very expensive, but it's calm, we can fix that. We have the door that's been affected as well. Look at that. This is, it's gonna be a pain to fix. These doors are aluminium from what I know, so it's not gonna be that easy to get repaired. Got the front, we call it a wing, front bumper. Look, there's a little split on the bumper here. There's a little split on the bumper here as well. You can see? This needs to go sit back in place. That needs to get repaired. But then, after all of that, there's still a bit more work for the car to get done. So sometimes when you pick up cars, guys, this is why auction can be a bit of a gamble. Not a gamble, but you will not know exactly what you're getting until it arrives. This car came with the bodywork, so I thought it was just bodywork. I knew there was something to do. There was something else wrong with it, which is electrics, but I didn't think it was as bad as it is now. So the car is struggling to start, right? But I'll show you guys quickly why. Show you guys why it's worse than I thought. My thing. It's too bougie for me. I'm used to like ding dong long ding ding dongs. So, if we pop the hood, guys, and you come close, let's show them this. So if you move the intakes, we put this cloth here with petrol to try and get the car started, which it did start. You'll see this in later on the video or on another video. So when we remove the intake manifold, right, as you guys can see, the wires are a bit messed up. So I can tell someone played around with this wire. This wire is absolutely naked, so that could cause some sort of, you know, fire, you never know. And these wires are out of place, so even the job that's been done to it is not actually professional, right? That's what we can see here. So it's been worked on. That's cars. You win some, you lose some. So we'll get this car fixed, back on the road. We'll show you guys the strategies, techniques, negotiation tactics that we used to buy this car. You know what I'm trying to say? You know when I got this? Yesterday.
It's Bentley?
Yeah. She only came home last night. No, she came home today. Came home today. So,
what are we doing right now?
So guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna try and see if that wire issue solved the problem, then we're going home in a Bentley. If it didn't solve the problem, we're gonna have to leave the car here. And it means it's a more serious problem. But this is an auction. This is auction. Everyone likes auction. They wanna buy from auction. They wanna get auction cars. You don't know what you're getting though. The description is one thing. The car is something else.
Put your bets on that. What do you think is gonna happen?
To be honest with you, I'm not too sure. I'll be real. It could start, because I've flipped hundreds of cars, so it could actually just start. That actually could have been it. You never know.
So, do you think it's gonna turn on or not?
Allah knows best.
I think it's gonna turn on.
You think so?
Yeah.
How about this? If it turns on, then you're going home in a Bentley. Bismillah. Alright guys, moment of truth. You guys think it's gonna start? It says low battery, please start engine. Look at this Christmas tree, bro. Please apply brake. Alright, let's try and start it. Bismillah. Ah!
Say what?
Yo! It actually started!
I told you!
No way! Everyone looking at us like, what that little wire? Whoa!
Yeah, wallahi, it went left quickly.
No, but it's minor. It's good. It's at least it started, bro. Right, so it did just die. But however, the fact that it started is a very good sign. So we got a bit too excited for nothing, but it's definitely something to do with the wirings because we fixed that one wire. I think we need to have a look at the rest of the wires. If an electrician, a qualified electrician is watching this video, go to my Instagram, MrFlipWhips_, will be on the link below, and just give me a shout. Maybe you can come and work on this car. Many other cars I have on this yard. And I'll be making more videos to show you guys this dealership and this yard and this car flipping industry, showing you guys some live action going down. Until then though, let's try and get the Bentley back to life. Okay.
Try one more time, one more time, one more time.
No, I'm not, I don't want to overdo it because the alternator.
One more time for the culture.
Start a motor. Okay. Yeah, no. But at least we know something to do with the electrics. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace. Bye.